Alright, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Must. I'm tuning it back in. So we're going to be installing the crystal clear gear shifter. That's on my website. Link is going to be in the description of the video. And it's plug and play. I'll show you guys again how it's done. The packing is really great. It comes with this to kind of keep that clean. It's perfect. And then we're removing this. Basically start the car and then put this in neutral. And then you can actually take these pieces apart, these two panels, and then you can literally just take this piece apart. It will come right up, and that's how easy it is. Yeah, let me just have my buddy hold the camera for me so you guys can see how easy and quick this is. Alright, so that's loose. This side's taken off, it's loose. This piece popped up, and then again, you gotta start the car, put it in neutral, and then shut the car off again. Make sure your e-brake's on. Now it's on, the car won't go nowhere. And then you would just literally just pull this up, just like that, when it's in neutral. And now, see, this piece is now loose. So this has to go in neutral so I could actually lift this piece up and I could work with this then. But there's two clips here, obviously, that needs to be pressed in and pushed down to kind of, it's easier once it's in neutral, you have more leverage on it. Alright, so I see it's in neutral, the car shut back off, and we could, since sometimes you can't really feel the pressure points here, so sometimes a little tough, but what we gotta do is work on the one hand here now. So take this USB out of the way real quick so those wires don't bother me. Alright, that's off. Then lift this piece up, and the easiest way to take this off, you see these tabs right here, you gotta push those in. Once they're pushed in and push outwards, you should be able to remove that piece right here. This piece, see, just like that. So when you twist it this way like this, then you should be able to take this whole piece out and put it to a side. Look at this. If I'm doing it with one hand, you guys could do this by watching my video. And then, yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys learn a lot through here. So as you can see, there's one tab here, one tab on the other side. Press them together, and this should pop right down. All right, there you go, finally. So once you press these tabs right here, pretty much this tab and the one on the other side, then you can actually pull this silver piece down and it will come right down. Once that's done, you could just loosen these two Phillips and then take this apart, and then we'll put on a new one. And yeah, the other one's gonna go here. So basically unplug this piece, one hand is tough. Just unplug this piece right here. See, that piece is in the plug and play, goes in there. The wire goes in the plug and play. This piece we hold on to because we got it connected with the LEDs wire. That's gonna go in here. So it's gonna go, well, once I put the new one on, it's gonna go in there. Yeah, and once it does, we're gonna line it, we're gonna bring the wire of the new one down like that through this piece and bring it from the bottom. All right. This piece. Very short screws, so you don't want to drop them and lose it. take this one out. Take the old one out. Put the new one in. And remember I said to put this wire through that hole so it doesn't stand out, it's all hidden. Right there. And now we can actually put this piece on. There you go. Be careful not to drop the screw. Make sure everything is lined up and centered. Okay, and then push this wire to the bottom. And one more thing is that since this piece is going to be up top now, that wire, you don't want to squeeze the wires. We just want to make sure it's free on the side so it doesn't get broken in half when you try to click this back in. So this goes back up, it's clicked back in, it's good to go. And this wire right here will definitely zip tie it here with this piece, with this wire right here. We'll just zip tie it so it stays in place. Yeah, that should be good. Doesn't like go dangling all over the place. It shouldn't, but just to be safe. And you would just plug it right here, and that lights up just like that. Check it out. That is beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. That tells you that it's working. We're good to go. We're just gonna, this is electrical tape if you don't have a zip tie or whatnot, so should be good to go. Give it a little bit of slack here, just because I'm gonna go in park, and then this way, just want to make sure you have enough. Yep, so it's in park. And that should do it. Give it a little slack just like that. That should do it. Perfect. And we'll just put some tape there, make sure it stays right there. Right, this piece is gonna go back in through here first. Just like that. And then we want to make sure that this clicks in before we put this main piece down. Okay, that's clicked in. Good. And then you line up these holes right there, the pins basically, you push that in there and lines this up. Just push this down. It's lined up, so we'll go in. And then you can actually force this up and the space will go in and lock in. Just like that. Then you can push it down more to close the full gap, basically. And that's done. We can put this back in park so the car could shut off properly. Put these back tabs in. Tabs are in. Take the screw out of here and close this up. And that's pretty much put the panels back in on the side and you're pretty much done. And line up that side and that's it. So it's easy as that. It's not that tough to do. That's it. Now you could actually put the accessories on so they could actually see it. There you go. Actually, here we go. Yeah, we got the accessories. Look at that. Nice. Definitely upgrades the interior with that. That's it, fam. So peace out till next time. Make sure to subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Smash the like button. Comment below if this video was helpful to you. Peace out.